Hey guys, it is Andrea and today we are coming at you, I am coming at you, with the new releases for this week, this Friday, the 25th at noon Eastern. We do that unlimited stock for the first 2 hours, and that will be on everything. There is like a limited stock of these, but we do have a lot of them. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'll go over the collections first, and then we'll go over the new multicolor line. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off first with the SPC Cafe, which this is a reformat of, I believe, last April's mystery kit. Our mystery kits are ultimate exclusives when they come to the shop, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I was telling you guys last week about the foiled labels. I don't know if you could really tell. This one's kind of like sparkly foiled. So that is like just the label on the front. So let's go ahead and get started. I did use a new format kit in my plan with me this week. If you didn't see that, I did use Amanda, and I'm so excited to use more and more of these collections. I might actually use this next week. I don't know. Honestly, like I'm so in love with the new format. It's kind of making me want to like change up my planning style a little bit to use more stickers. So yeah, I'm in love. So the first thing that you see here is your little freebie that is in the back that has your 4 little munchkins by Once More with Love. Then on your front, you do have the full boxes, which these are like new formatted. Like I completely redid them, started from scratch, did add some marble bits in there. I changed this sign to white just because I thought it stood out a little bit more against the pink house. But I just think it looks so pretty. Since it was such a popular collection, I am going to be offering the original boxes a la carte. So these are untouched original boxes if you guys want to purchase them. I won't be doing this for every single kit, but I just thought since this was such a loved collection that I would offer these a la carte if you want to pick up these, and you could even make this go even longer because you have the extra 8 full boxes. So that's an option as well if you want to pick up the extra a la carte full boxes. So here is your front page here, the SPC Cafe. Here's the deco page with your weekend banner, your scribblers. They are all, I don't think I've released these yet. These ones at least, the little breakfast ones. So pancakes and like an American breakfast shopping, and then a little bow. You have your flags, your deco, all that jazz. And then on this page here, which is like one of the newer pages, you have your extra full box, you have your payday flag, you have your dots along the bottom that are all in black, your icons, your like cutout icons on the pattern, and your squared half boxes. This is your functional page in the background of this, and the ombre heart checklist. You do have the marble. Then on this one, I did try something different, which you guys have to let me know what you think. So instead of having the dots, I put a little glitter stroke, which kind of like mimics the same stroke that is on here. But I think it looks really pretty, a little bit more like dainty than the dots. So definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm like really digging it. I do have a lot of collections designed with the dots, so if you guys do like this, I'll start designing anything new with the little glitter stroke. But I think it's really pretty and very like dainty, like I said. Then you have your fancy labels, your pattern washi, and your headers, your fancy solid labels, your solid washi, and your little things, your ombre hair checklist, which I said are in that marble with the black hearts. And then you have your bottom washi, which one of the biggest things was to change out the bottom washi just so you could split it and use simply gilded washi, which I totally get. Do I have black and gold, or do I only have black and rose gold? Black and gold a thing? If I have black and gold washi, I'm gonna use it, but I think this would be so pretty. Or even black and rose gold. Honestly, I think gold or rose gold would look really pretty with this collection. So this is the ultimate collection. So pumped for this. I think the next mystery that I'm going to be reformatting is December mystery. All of our mysteries are always exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. We do also have a lot of exclusive art that comes to the shop. None of the art this week is exclusive though. Well, some of it has exclusive pieces in it, but so you have the ultimate kit, and then you have the option if you want to purchase the old boxes. And then there's also a glitter header sampler option if you want to purchase that. There's also some fashion girls. I did these a little bit different than last time. So you have 4 girls there, and it is split down the middle, so you can kind of make your own little best friend couple, or you can kind of like just use one of them if you want. So super cute. This one reminds me a lot of Jessica with the blonde hair. Took me a minute to make her hair blonde, but it was worth it. And then there's also the bows, and the bows are available only during the weekend, and then those are not in stock after Sunday is over. The next collection we'll go over is actually we'll save the photo one for last. We'll go through Home real quick, which this is really fun. I did this with another collection coming up where I took a bunch of art by the same artist, recolored it, and kind of repurposed it. So there's probably like 6 different collections that I pulled pieces of art from. A lot of art from the NYC mystery, the February mystery, Posy, baby cakes. Like, you'll see art from all different places. This was from, I think, the Girl Boss or something. Like, from everywhere. I pulled art and I just changed the colors, everything to match, to make like a home collection. And I'm really, really excited to use. I have a really special event that I'm going to be using this for, and I'm so pumped. I love the colors in this. Perfect for any time. Well, because I think pink's perfect for any time, but I just think it's such a beautiful collection. I, again, love the marble. Marble is my favorite thing in the whole world. So just love this, and I love the Posy girl. She's my favorite. I love her dress. I'm going to use her many, many times. I used her in the 4th of July collection as well. So this was really fun to do, and like I said, I did do it with another artist's art in a future collection that I'm really excited about as well. So you do have all of your deco there, your weekend banner, and then all the girls are like cleaning, which I thought were kind of appropriate. Marble flags, just really pretty colors. If you guys can see the colors, super pretty pastels. Then you have all of your icons. I kind of like did a little bit of details on the icons to make them pop a little bit more against the very light backgrounds. You have your extra full box here, which you could just kind of see the apron and the little skirt. Then you have marble in the background of these as well, but you do have different color strokes on those. This was one of the ones where it has the dots, which I think actually this works really well with. The pattern washi and labels, your little things, and your labels, your ombre hair checklist with the marble with the different colored strokes around the hearts. Well, the fill actually is different colored. And then you have your washi on the side, and then your faux split bottom washi, which I think is really, really pretty. I think if you cut either of these, they'd look really good with simply gilded washi, or if you just left them just by themselves. And you do have the marble in the back of the date covers. So I really love this collection. I think it was so fun to like really mash up about, I think, like 6 or maybe more different collections, kind of make something new. I did a lot of like recoloring, which I actually really do love recoloring. I think it's very therapeutic, especially whenever it has to do with like the fashion girls. I'm in love. This one also does come in the mini kit. Mini kits usually do sell out the fastest. They usually only make it to the 3-hour unlimited stock, but I have been trying to stock more of them, and it's crazy. You guys are loving hard on the mini kits, especially because I feel like my mini kit's like 5 pages now, so it's like very comparable to like a standard full kit. I feel like standard full kit is like 6 pages, so that is the mini kit. And if you guys like want to see this a little bit slower, or well, not slower, if you want to see it a little bit more in depth, I do put like a second photo on the listings, so you guys can check that out whenever you are shopping. So you do have your, I love how everything matches. And this one has a black label. Actually, yeah, this one has a black label. It pops really nice against the light colors. You have your glitter, and then you have your bows, which again are only available during the weekend. And last but not least, we do have the photo collection, which I'm really excited to do this photo collection. This one does have a white label. I don't know if you guys care about the labels, but I'm excited to do a photo collection in an ultimate. I'm really excited because I personally need an ultimate. I like need the options of everything. So I'm really pumped that it'll like more match the way I like to plan. So you do have your munchkins in the back. I love the colors on this. Whenever we did the reformat, I did spend a lot of time with our printers and changing the settings a little bit, and I think the colors are going to be even more saturated, and I think you could tell, especially in this collection, with the yellow and the blue. It's just like a really pretty yellow and blue. But I'm in love. I just think it's so pretty. Photo collections are really fun to do. They do take a lot of time because I take like all the photos and then I have to recolor them to match. Like all of these pools were not all the same color blue, and like the greens and the yellows, like it takes a lot of time, but I just love like whenever they're done. I've done a bunch of them. I think I have 5 that I finished. I wasn't going to do any more, but I just love them so much. So I just love this so much, and I'm really excited to use it. So this is kind of the area that I'm in. It's a work in progress. So Photo kits don't have deco, so what I did here is I did the bows added in. They are smaller than the bows here. Now I'm wondering, like, do you guys still want the bows to be available a la carte? I didn't like make them, but if you guys still want them, because I know a lot of people buy like 5 and 10 bows, sheets of these bows, so let me know in the comments down below. Another thing I was thinking is I could, instead of doing the bows, I could do like, you know, this little, like the coffee cups and the laptop and the nail polish, but I could do like little scripts above it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, but I'm pretty stuck on this block here and then these, so I'm just kind of like playing around with this idea. But I think scripts might be nice, and then doing the bows a la carte. So your weekend banner, which does have like the photo in the background. The girls are so pretty. I love this blue. It's so pretty. The balloons in here. This is another area which is gonna be great for the mini kit because it doesn't have that like area that has the dots, but this has all different dots in it. Sometimes they'll be like triangles or stars, but this one just is dots because I feel like I kind of went with the theme a little bit better. I just love this collection so much. It's so pretty. It's like the colors are like insane in this one, like absolutely insane. I love it so much. Like, just look how pretty it is, and look at this quote box. I was just feeling it with this quote box and then another collections quote box. It's just the best. And then also in the checklist areas, you do have like a very slight waving. I didn't want to do anything super wild. These colors are so good. It's ridiculous. It's like, it's so good. But I wanted to do something just a little bit. You can kind of see it there. Just so you guys don't think the printer went wacky. So you can kind of see that's like the wave there. And I think this will look so pretty with some yellow Simply Gilded washi, or even green or blue. So pretty. But I love this collection, and I'm 100% using it. I don't know, June or July. Again, I'll probably use it after home. That's my bad. Okay. So that is the ultimate kit, and then you do have the mini kit here as well. I love those clear labels. I just think they look so classy. It's not like intrusive to the like view of the front. I just think it all looks so like classy. Still looking for cellos that match the size of the, what's it called? The monthly. But other than that, like, I'm so in love with the cellos being tight and just everything, the format of everything. This has just been like so much work, but it's so worth it. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so that's the mini kit, and then you also have the glitter sampler, which is so gorgeous. And so that's everything as far as the collections go. Definitely let me know down below if you guys want the bows separate for this one. I do have, I think I already sent 3 or 4 photo kits into production, so they'll already have the bows included, but I do have a couple that I think I haven't sent in yet to Kirsten that haven't been printed, so I could update those if you guys want scripts and then the bows separate, but I could also just add the bows for this one. So let me know in the comments down below, and thumbs up comments if you guys agree. So then I also do have, last week we had a navy bow. This one is a hot pink bow. These are vinyl decal stickers. They are on like white vinyl. These are rated for like dishwashers, cars. There was somebody in the Facebook group who posted that she put one on her car a couple of months ago and it still looks fresh and beautiful. So we will have those. I brought home 2 for myself, but we will have those available as well. You guys seem to really like the navy ones. I feel like the hot pinks are going to be even more popular. I have a bunch more planned for you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead into the multicolor. I'm actually going to let my camera cool down, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's go over this pink multicolor line really quick. So I love this collection. It's so pretty. I did take out a few things that just weren't selling as much as the rest, and I did add some new things. So that's kind of like, give a little, you get a little. So the first thing here is the glitter headers. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be 2 pages. I only have 1 page with me, but obviously in the listing you'll be able to see. So it's gonna be 2 pages just like this with different colored pinks on it for the glitter headers. Normally that's 4, but a lot of the pages that normally either have 2 or 4 are less just because it's all pink. So then you have your glitter appointment labels, you have your glitter half boxes, your big flags, glitter flags. You have your glitter quarter boxes, your glitter labels, your glitter mini flags, which the mini flags are the ones that fit in the Erin Condren neutral. You have your habit trackers, your hydrates, your solid labels, your ombre heart checklist, which this is a 2-pager. You have your weekly checklist, which this was highly requested. Actually, I think it was the ombre. Both of them were, but those are trials, so those will depend on how they sell if we keep them. And then this was something that we added to the Ultimate collection, which are little books. So I figured I'd try them out in the Multicolor line, so that's another trial one. Bill dues, works, we went down to just this work one because this one was a lot more popular than the other one. Class, and then I did add a bunch of doodles. I don't know when I'm going to be able to start doing $3 Thursdays, if I'm being honest, just because we've been so busy in the shop. We're always producing as much as we can. We're pretty much like whatever we produce, we sell. So it's hard to like sometimes squeeze things in. So $3 Thursdays have definitely been like on the back burner because I do want to focus more on releases and things like that. So I figured just to kind of hold you guys over, I would do the most popular items as multicolor and see how these go, and then it'll kind of go based on that for future releases if you guys like them in the multicolor, which I feel like you guys will. So this sheet here has nail polishes on them, so in comparison, actually my pinky probably isn't the best one. Let's compare it to a quarter box. So quarter box comparison. So you have silver and gold options for each color. So there's 2 of each color bow, 1 in silver, 1 in gold. Then you have your bows in bow clip in every color, well, in the colors. Then you have coffee cups. So let me actually, this is, let's compare it to they are a little bit smaller than the ones on the sheet here. And then compare it to a appointment label. Then we have the coffee cups, which again, there are 2 of the same color bows, but with different colored. That one has silver, that one has gold in the background. Let me show you guys closer. And again, comparing to a appointment label, these are like the perfect size. And you get so many on the sheet. These are gonna take forever to cut. And then there are also laptops, and there's just 1 of each of these in the colors. So I think it's gonna be a very popular multicolor line because who doesn't love pink? It's so pretty. So that's everything. Again, I'm pretty sure this was a 2-pager. It'll say on the listing and have a picture for you guys, but that's everything for this week. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Another thing is that we do have, if you're watching this on Wednesday, we do have new releases on MoreSPC for scribblers. I don't have the new ones with me, but I do have 2 weeks ago we put out new ones. So we did have summer ones. I just brought home Celeste. So these are the summer ones. 2 of those because there are like different colors. You can see there's like blue, white, different color, blue, yellow, pink. Mermaids, and then also dads. And then this week, I honestly don't remember even what I decided that we're doing. I can actually probably pull it up on my phone. Let me pull that up real fast. This week is princesses, travel, and wizard trio. So the wizard trio also will there'll be an option if you want to pick up. This will be only tomorrow, Wednesday, today actually, if you're watching us. These are like the like semi-glossy cardstock. These are the ones that we've been doing the die cuts for our TN kits in, and they're like the little trio and die cuts, and these will be available on Wednesday only. So if you guys want to check those out, they'll be up around noon, and they'll be unlimited stock for 24 hours. So that's everything. I hope you guys like this week's new release video. Again, these are for Friday the 25th. Next week will be like the mystery, and I think August monthly. I will have like B6 stuff then. I also forgot completely to do the personal kit, but I'm gonna just put that up this weekend, and it'll just be like a picture in the listing so you guys can see. But that's everything. I hope that you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.